This video covers the basic elements of C++, focusing on modifiers and variables. Modifiers are keywords used to change or modify the properties of data types. Data type modifiers, such as short, long, signed, and unsigned, alter the size or range of basic data types. Here are examples of data type modifiers in use. Short uses less memory, long uses more memory. Signed allows both positive and negative values, while unsigned allows only positive values. Access modifiers, also known as type qualifiers, specify how variables can be accessed or modified. These include const, volatile, and mutable. Const means the value cannot change after initialization. Volatile means the value can change unexpectedly, often used in hardware programming. Mutable allows modification of a member even if the object is constant. Storage type modifiers define the scope, lifetime, and visibility of variables. The storage class modifiers are auto, static, extern, and register. The auto modifier is the default storage class for local variables, meaning they are automatically allocated and destroyed. An example is auto int x equals 5. The static modifier retains its value between function calls, and its lifetime is the entire program execution. As shown in the example, the count variable retains its value across multiple calls to the show function. A variable in C++ is a named memory location to store data, and its value can change during program execution. Variables must be declared with a data type using the syntax data_type variable_name, for example, int age. Variable naming rules require starting with a letter or underscore. Variables cannot start with a number, cannot use keywords, and are case sensitive. Examples of valid variables include total, underscore count, and marks1. Initialization means assigning an initial value to a variable. The syntax is data_type variable_name equals value. For example, int age equals 20. One type of variable is the local variable, which is declared inside a functional block and is accessible only within that block, as shown in the "show" function example. Global variables are declared outside all functions and are accessible throughout the entire program. The example shows an integer x defined globally. Static variables retain their value between function calls, and their lifetime is the entire program. They can be declared outside all functions and are accessible throughout the program. Register variables are suggested to be stored in CPU registers for faster access, and their memory address cannot be accessed. For example, register int I. The extern storage type modifier is used to declare a global variable defined elsewhere, such as, extern int x. The register modifier suggests storing the variable in a CPU register for faster access, as in register int I. Thank you for watching this video on the basic elements of C++.